Thanks everyone for joining us for another interview during Smart Irrigation Month. Here celebrating and learning more from IA's Board of Directors about what Smart Irrigation Month means to them. We have Doug Macdonald here with us from Aqua Engineering. Welcome, Doug. Can you introduce yourself for us, a little bit about your company and you represent on the IA board?
Sure. My name is Doug Macdonald. I'm a principal and vice president at Aqua Engineering Incorporated. We're irrigation consultants and engineers. We have offices in Fort Collins, Colorado, and Phoenix, Arizona. Our company was founded in 1975, and we've completed project work in all 50 states and internationally. Our services include irrigation design for landscape and ag markets. We also do lake and water storage facility design, pumping system and aesthetic water feature design, alternative water source development, and we do studies and assessments for irrigation systems to improve operational efficiency. And we also do some water harvesting system design.
Okay, wonderful. Well, as you know, this is Smart Irrigation Month, month of July. It's Irrigation Association's promotion of water smart irrigation systems. So what does Smart Irrigation Month mean to you, and how do you practice that in your company?
Well, to me, I guess it means an increased awareness of the need for responsible irrigation design practices. You know, I kind of feel like it shouldn't be isolated to just July, but rather throughout the year. But obviously, July is the peak irrigation season in the Northern Hemisphere, so it makes sense that July is designated Smart Irrigation Month, when evaporation and the need for irrigation is at the peak of the bell curve. Our company focuses on designing systems to maximize the use of available technology, alternative water sources for potable, versus potable water if available. And we try to provide efficient irrigation application to plants and crops based on the current and historic weather patterns, as well as the specific needs of various plant species, soil conditions, and microclimates, all the stuff that's involved in irrigation.
And certainly the Irrigation Association is promoting smart water efficient irrigation year round, but certainly the month of July and Smart Irrigation Month really gives us the opportunity to focus and promote it. And like I said, it's the time of year where folks are really irrigating. Maybe you're in your summer low rain season and the need to efficiently water either your crops or the landscape around you. So this year's theme is smart irrigation and sustainable solutions. So when you think about sustainable solutions, what are you maybe seeing in the industry or your own company that y'all are working on that kind of fits that sustainable mindset when you're thinking about water smart irrigation?
Right. Well, this really goes to the core of our business. You know, we recognize that water is a finite and precious resource. You know, human life depends on it, plant life depends on it, and humans depend on plant life for food, shelter, oxygen, recreation, a lot of things. You know, we need to protect our water resources for future generations, in my view. I think climate change is real, and it's introducing significant challenges on the future of humanity. So to me, providing solutions to preserve and protect the precious resource of water for future generations is really the definition of sustainability, in my view. Our company, we try to do our part in that equation through designing irrigation systems that provide efficient water application, also with consideration for the systems being manageable, maintainable, and cost-effective. And hopefully through that, we help the end user succeed in their goals for the built environment. And what we try to do is use appropriate application of technology, as I said, and provide or use alternative water sources when available, that are suitable for irrigation, rather than having to use potable water. I guess the end goal is to recognize that potable water is one of our most precious resources, and it needs to be preserved so future generations can continue to inhabit and thrive on this planet. So.
Great. Well, I really appreciate your time today. Again, this has been Doug Macdonald on the IA board, and thanks y'all for watching today. Again, visit smartirrigationmonth.org for resources and ideas on how you can participate and help spread the word of what smart irrigation means. And use the hashtag Smart Irrigation Month on any of your social media posts. Again, my name is Coleman Garrison, Director of Government Affairs and Public Affairs at IA, and thank you for watching.